Hi, this is Greg with 31 Events and Calendarsnack.com. Thanks for stopping by. You can see I'm in a Calendar Snack. I got it just by going to my email and just pulling it out here, no trickery. I'm showing you a built-in product called the landing page in our interface at the top, create, send, and count. You'll see at the top how easy that works. I'm in send. I'm going to landing page. Going to click the landing page, going to take a peek. There it is there. That is a landing page specifically for this event. I'll take you right to there. And what I'm going to do is send Tom an invite to this webinar. And when I do this, Tom's actually not going to receive just an email. He's actually going to receive a calendar invitation. I click there. You can see the little spiral. It says an invitation has been sent to Tom. You're probably wondering, big deal? Well, we think it's pretty cool. I'm going to go back to my email by hitting done and going to my Calendar Snack lander, and you'll see under the counter that now it's showing that right here I sent another invitation to somebody else. Basically, we masked that so it doesn't show, but I'll show you here in this live demo by going to Tom at TechVader's identity, and you'll see here that Tom received a calendar invitation off that landing page I just showed you. He's going to say maybe to this event. I'm going to go back to the identity where it came out of, which was Greg's email address. And when I go to it here under count, you'll see that Tom is a maybe right there. Pretty cool. That's the end of the demo. Thanks for stopping by.